Hello everyone, it's Hisham. Today I am here to give you a presentation for one of the latest projects by Casagrand, Hermina Residences that's located in Dubai Island A. Come here. It's been a while since we didn't see some property that's located and has views on the water. The last project was recently launched here by another developer, but it was not residential. It's hotel apartments. This time we have a project here straight on the canal, offers an amazing views to the old downtown and also the new downtown area. So let's say, for example, if somebody purchases a property here, they will have a view of the Burj Khalifa. Now let me take you closer into these residences. Here you have 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and you have also a 4 bedrooms large unit. You don't have any studios in these residences. Most of the apartment residences in Dubai Island, they don't have the basement. These guys, they have the basement, and they have extra parking for the visitors in the ground floor. So the ground floor, it's double heighted, like almost 10 meters. You have the parkings and you have a commercial area. For example, there is a 3 commercial area that's already that's already sold. And then you have the first floor, which includes some apartments that side and also the amenities. As you see here, come a little bit closer, you have swimming pool, you have kids play area, you have outdoor gym, you have indoor gym for females and for men, and similar thing in for the yoga. Plus, you have amenities on the rooftop. As you see over there, there is another swimming pool, and there is some commercial area and many other amenities. We can discover them later. Now, for the residential floors, there is 13. Okay, you have 1 bedrooms this side that's starting from 1.9 million with the sizes above 900. It's super large, really large. And if you check with me the dimensions of these bedrooms, you have a minimum 4 by 3.5 plus. Okay, this is if we speak about the 1 bedroom, there is 3 series, really nice prices and a nice layout. Now, if we speak about the 2 bedrooms, we have a 2 bedrooms this side and we have a 2 bedrooms this side that looks at the canal. So this is the canal, and here is this view. So if you're buying an apartment with the view of the canal, you will have an options of 2 bedroom. Let me show you. 2 bedroom. Like you see here, there is a 3 series of a 2 bedroom. Here, you have the option whether you spend 2.6 for a 2 bedroom apartment, you get something this side with the community view, or you pay 3.4 starting price for this 2 bedrooms. The sizes here is 1,200 plus. Again, the layouts, the butterfly layouts, 2 bedroom, 3 bedrooms, amazing layouts. Now, if we speak about the 3 bedroom, we also have a different options. This is the 3 bedrooms. In the 3 bedrooms, you have this side. It's a corners. Really nice units. I love them. 1,700 above in terms of the size. And if we speak about the prices, the minimum price is 4.3 million. And we have some units over here as well on the top floors. Okay. Now let's speak about the 4 bedrooms. If you want 4 bedrooms, the price is minimum 7.2 million. I will show you where is it located exactly. Minimum 7.2 million. There is 2 units, okay? One is 7.2 and one is 7.7. The difference is only the location, okay? One is right, one is left. And then also there is a slight difference in terms of the size, because one is 2,300 and one is 2,500 above. Now, all these apartments, again, they have all the view towards the canal. Amazing open views. Now, what we gonna do? Before we move into the show apartment, I will take you to show you one of the amenities these guys they will have, because they will have a cinema room, and I want to take you to show you how this cinema room will look like before we move into the show apartment to show you the real quality and what to expect. These apartments will be, by the way, fully furnished. This is, as you see, is a cinema room. Really, really, really nice. This is what you will get exactly. This is the first time I see a developer that gives you a show for the cinema room. Amazing one. So later on, if you live in here, you can just book this cinema room, bring your family, and enjoy your nights. This is it, and they have many more amenities like on the rooftop. Later on, if you're interested, you want to buy, we will discover them together. And now I will show you what an apartment in Hermina looks like. Come. This is the entrance. It's a smart home apartments. Okay. From here, you can set up. It's or art. You can set up your details, your face ID, and with only an app, you can open the curtains, you can turn on the AC, turn it off, do whatever you want if you are not in the country. Okay, this is the kitchen. Guys, whatever you see here is exactly what you get, okay? Because these apartments are fully furnished, and as you can see here, they provide a very good brands like Mele and Porsche, okay? This is exactly what you get, and it's all signed on the SPA. So whatever you see is whatever you get. As I told you, it's a butterfly layout. You have bedroom here, second bedroom here. Let's start with the master. So this is the master. As you see, it's huge, spacious, 4 by 3.5 above. It's really, really, really good one. If you are here in Dubai and you want to purchase like this property, you have to come here. You have to feel the quality yourself, okay? Come here. You have really, really, really nice one. Have a look to the bathroom. In this layout, the dimension looks a little bit smaller because we are not in the building itself. This is a show apartment. But if you look at the dimensions, it's 6 meters by around 4, so it's even larger. Most of the units they have how they call it, laundry room. Okay, they have a laundry room, and also they have uh, guest bathroom. And also something I didn't mention, even for the one bedrooms, you get dishwasher. Okay, you get a dishwasher from Mele. Again, last, this is the second bedroom. Similar thing, just this, the dimension is a little bit smaller. One more thing, whatever you see, you get it, except small touches like these and the TVs. So here you saw the TVs, you will not get it. All right, now let's speak about the balconies. The balconies in this residence is not large, it's not small, but depending on what you buy. For example, if you buy 2 bed, 3 bed, 4 bed, you will have enough space for a balcony where you can get this free jacuzzi. This jacuzzi comes with sunproof cover and also comes with a fancy umbrella in your balcony. This is it, and now let's go and speak about the payment plan. Payment plan, you pay 60% during construction and 40 on the handover. This handover will take place second quarter 2028. Now, at this time, while I'm recording this video, there is an offers going on. So anybody who's interested, we can have a very good deal. We can negotiate. 4% DLD waiver is already on the table. If you are interested, you want to purchase a waterfront property in Dubai Island, reach out to me and we will make it happen. Thank you for your time. I hope this was informative and see you in another video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and maybe share with your friends this video. Bye bye.